The National Weather Service in Lake Charles issued a special marine warning for waters from intercoastal city to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from lower Atchafalaya River to intercoastal city law from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Vermilion 200, or 54 nautical miles south of White Lake, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and large destructive hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in personal injury and significant structural damage. Locations impacted include Eugene Island 224, South Marsh Island 23, South Marsh Island 69, South Marsh Island 40, South Marsh Island 61, Vermilion 215, Vermilion 214, Vermilion 191, Vermilion 171, Eugene Island 175, South Marsh Island 27, Eugene Island 158, South Marsh Island 78, South Marsh Island 58, South Marsh Island 33, South Marsh Island 11, Eugene Island 135, Eugene Island 113, South Marsh Island 76, and South Marsh Island 288. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The special marine warning expired.